Today I'm going to be taking you guys through how I edit my videos. Alright, so the first thing I do is I go into my editing app, and the app I use is called MyMovie, and it's pretty good quality, so I just use that. And then I click on videos, and I choose my clips that I want to use for my video. Once I have those selected, then I'll probably go through and watch the video and kind of just make the rough cuts of like what I want to include in the video and what I don't want to include and all that. Sometimes I'll go and kind of change the order of clips if it makes more sense in a certain order, and then I'll go through and just change the volume on everything and make it nice and loud so that it's easy to hear. Then I will normally go in and just add like little gifs or text things or just little pictures to add to the video to make it look nice. Once I add those, I will usually do like a little voiceover or something or add music. But other than that, I'm pretty much done. But then I need to remove the watermark, so I'll just watch an ad to get rid of that for a little bit. Then I export it at the highest quality and I just wait for it to be finished loading. I forgot to record an outro for this video when I was doing it, so now it's a different day, and I have braces now. But that's pretty much how I edit my videos. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment down below some other video ideas that you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!